I injured myself, and the injury has made me very stressed out, annoyed, frustrated, overwhelmed, because I feel like I can't do anything that I need to get done, and everything that I have planned are backing into each other. I had videos lined up for you guys, but haven't been able to edit all of them because of the pain that I had to. Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, and trust me, I miss being on here just as much as some of you guys may have missed not seeing me. It's just been a long 3 weeks. So much has been going on. A few of you guys have reached out to me and asked me, am I still doing videos? Am I still doing YouTube? Is everything okay? And everything is okay. I am still doing YouTube videos. I've been creating videos the whole time I've been gone. I just had a little situation where I really took a hard fall. I tripped over one of the bar stools in the kitchen, and yeah, I sprained my ankle. And so I've been out off my feet for quite some time, but now I'm starting to actually feel better. In the beginning, it was just so bad. I mean, the pain was so bad. The swelling was just like out of control. It's still a little swollen, but not like how it was before. And the pain is not as bad as it was before. And I just could not focus on anything. Nothing. Could not focus on anything. That's just how terrible it was. Let me show you guys. So I literally just been chilling here. My toes are a little ashy, so disregard, but you can see. Ugh. See, it's still a little swollen over here, and this is where I really hit hard over here. So this whole ankle area and the surrounding areas got really bad. But yeah, but I feel way better than I did before, even though it's still a little swollen. You know, the doctor said to just make sure to keep it elevated and iced. I'm telling you guys, this thing hurt so bad that before we went to the emergency room, I was convinced that my foot had to be broken. There's no way, the amount of pain that I was feeling, that it was just a sprained ankle. And after 3 hours in the emergency room, after an x-ray, that is only sprained. And I'm like, what the heck? But apparently, according to the doctors, that a sprained ankle is actually feels worse than a broken ankle. So, I mean, the pain was like crazy. I don't have any kids yet, but I'm pretty sure I felt like my foot was giving birth to another foot. The amount of pain I felt, if that's any indication of what pregnancy is gonna feel like, pray for me, because I was not ready for that amount of pain. It was just whoa. And this is without taking any drugs or any painkillers, which is probably where I went wrong. But I hate taking pills. I hate taking drugs unless I absolutely have to take it. Near death situation, I will. I'm not against it, but if I can bear as much of it as possible before taking painkillers, I will. And that's what I did. And I'm telling you, there was a moment I literally was like, get the medication, but I didn't have access to it because I decided not to get it from the pharmacy because I knew that I didn't want to have it. But guys, it's been a journey. I've been so like literally the motivation to even get up and come on camera has been, lackluster to say the least, because I just feel so overwhelmed by all the work that's being backed into each other because of my injury. The video for the sweet potatoes that was supposed to be out at least a month ago. I completed that video long time ago. I mean, almost over a month ago I completed that video, but I haven't been able to post it because every time I go to edit, it's either the pain, I can't focus on it too much, or I'm missing a clip, and I just have not been able to deal with going back to recording and moving around. But now I'm thank God, in a better place where the pain is not so unbearable, where I cannot function or think on what it is that I need to get done. Now I'm feeling a little more relaxed, not as tense. I feel like even though I can't move around that much, but at least I feel like I can relax enough to focus on editing the rest of the videos that I have for you guys. So yeah, so hope you guys understand. The balcony is going to be going through some transformation. Right now it looks like a jungle. And that's because I have plants everywhere. Sweet potatoes over here. This is one of my monstera plants, and I have more than one. I have two. And yeah, if you've seen my balcony makeup video, you would know what this looked like when it's not all upside down. And this is just the table that I created for the balcony, but I put the plastic bag over it because since I'm not, able to deal with my plants right now, I don't want any water dripping from the pot onto the wood table, so I just have that on there temporarily. So yeah, so I've just been chilling, literally chilling, relaxing here. So I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I figured, you know what, let me just come on here really quick to tell you guys what's going on and let you guys know I'm here, I'm back. I didn't go anywhere, but I'm back. I have the energy I need to complete some of these videos that I have lined up this week, sometime during the week, hopefully before the weekend comes around. I will have the sweet potato video gardening up, because I already had that video, I already recorded everything. I mean, the sweet potato slips, guys, is literally like taking over my balcony. That's how much slips that I got, and I was able to put them in soil, so I'm excited. Can't wait for you guys to see exactly what I did so you guys can recreate the same thing. And yeah, so that's what's going on with the sweet potato. And guys, I really wanted to go buy more like slips and get more herbs and get more seeds for growing other like a herb garden and other things that I would like to grow on the balcony. But because of my sprained ankle, I cannot drive around. So yeah, it's just kind of annoying, because not only can I not drive around, even if I did drive, thank God it's not my driving foot, it's just the pain to hop around every store. It's just annoying. So as my foot gets better, then I'll start, going out and buying some stuff that I need, like pots and stuff like that I would like to add to my balcony garden. And hopefully you guys will continue to join me on that journey of growing my own food, because I'm really excited about that. And also my plants need life. They're hating me right now during these times. A lot of my plants went unwatered. Like, look at Ruby is looking dusty and crusty, and all the other plants are just like, where have you been? We need you. And my husband, when you tell him to go water the plants, he literally does a little drizzle here and a little drizzle there, and that's not enough, or he overwaters it. So I need to get this foot up and running back to normal so I can take better care of my plants. And also I have the kitchen tour that I have lined up for you guys. We got the rooms makeover that I have lined up for you guys. The room that got flooded out, that need to be made over. So much need to get done, and I have so much lined up that I would like to share with you guys, but I'm kind of slowed down to just being in place because of my foot. Now, crutches have now been my only means of transportation. So this is what I have to use to kind of get around and hop from one place to another. And I'll have my husband drive me to the physical therapist. But other than that, this is my only way of transportation. But hopefully that will change, and I'm excited. We're gonna grow some sweet potato, guys. We got so much slips. I'm so excited. It's not even funny. You're gonna see how much roots that I've gotten from my potato slips, guys. Exciting, exciting, exciting. So now that my foot is feeling better and I'm feeling more energetic to tackle the things that need to get done and the videos that I need to do. Also, if you have any ideas of what you would like to see on this channel, please leave your comments down below, and hopefully you guys can understand and you will continue to follow me on this journey, and that you can appreciate me coming to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. I am here. I didn't go anywhere. And stay tuned for my next video this week. In the next couple of days, I'm going to post my sweet potato gardening. And guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one.